Hi beauties, it's the Red Diva and happy Valentine's Day. Today we're doing a great hair look from OUTRE. It is part of the lace front collection and we're looking at Kimora. So stick around and we'll show you all the juicy details to create this beautiful Valentine's Day look. We're ready to start the show. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay, so this is how the package comes. It's quite a big box, okay, right here. And this one I got it, guys, from Hair to Beauty. Okay. And you're gonna see all the tags and everything. So pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of this little bag here. Look at that color. It's so freaking gorgeous. I love it. Okay, good. Packaging here. Okay, also a little preservative. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. So beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the little tag. They add so many tags and so many things. Okay, so we have Kimora. Kimora is available in various different shades, but this is one of their special colors. It is the DRFF, so Dark Root Face Framing Red Velvet. Woo! I am so excited. Here in the back side, you'll see all the instructions on how to take care of it. It's got HD transparent lace. Okay, it's gonna have baby hairs. It allows heat implements up to 400 degrees. This is very, very nice. Look at the length. That is gorgeous. Okay, so we're going to take a look and see about the cap construction, okay, and see all about it. Oh my God, the color is stunning. Just totally stunning. Okay. So it's got obviously the lace front, okay? It's got the lace front here. It's a middle part, okay? And it's supposed to have ear to ear lace, okay? So we're gonna take a look at that and make sure that that's the case, all right? So in the inside, okay, you're gonna see on each side of the temple area, you're gonna see a comb on each side. So you have that one there and that one there with the lace part right there. Very nice. The color of the lace is light, so if you are darker skin toned, then you're going to want to use a tint spray. But if you are on the fair side, it should pretty much blend with your skin tone. So it's adaptable, okay? Then on the back side, on the nape area, you're going to find the adjustable straps and you're going to find a middle comb right there as well, okay? The cap is quite airy, so there's a lot of space. Let me see how it stretches. Okay, that's good. And then on the side is okay. Definitely more stretch from top to bottom than side to side, but it should be good. So that is what we have, okay? And then of course you could see them right there. You have the little baby hairs, okay? So I will take a look and see how that goes. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off camera, and then I'll be right back to go ahead and put the Kimora on, and we'll see what else we could do with it to make it look incredible, because I'm already in love with this color. Oh my God. Okay, so I'll be right back and I will continue with you in a second. Okay, so we went ahead and cut the lace. So now I'm going to go ahead and put my wig grip on. All right, so I'm going to make sure that it's on the center. Okay, we got it nice and tight. Okay, let's see how this wig goes. Okay. the combs on the sides of the temple area are really, really like, wow. They're no joke. They're no joke. They just really go on. Wow, this thing is like really, really attached to my head. No joke at all. All right, so we have, it's quite snug, but then again, I do have a bun. So I'm not gonna judge whether it's big head friendly or not, because I always have my own hair underneath. You guys that do a protective hairstyle underneath the wig and don't have much bulk could be able to judge better in terms of how the cap construction, how the cap fits. It's snug on me, but then again, I have about this, like a small tennis ball of bun on the back. Okay, so it's really snug, but I don't mind when wigs are on the tighter side because I feel like they're more secure and less chance of it sliding back. And for me, that fear of sliding back or not lining up with my real head always gives me stress and gives me a lot of tension, where I'm like this all day long because I'm just like afraid of not moving the head and having the wig slip off or move or shift. So in this case, the fact that it's snug, I feel like, yeah, I can move it. Yes. So let's see. Let's line up. Okay. It definitely has like really, really dark knots. Okay. So that's the thing that I'm kind of like, okay, not too crazy about. But what we're gonna do first and foremost, we're gonna pull the hair back, okay, and we're gonna get some clips like this, okay. We're gonna work on okay, there. Okay, we're gonna work on this really quickly, okay, because we got to get this these knots a little bit darker. Okay, so I just want to show you a little bit about the hair, how it looks from the front. And this is my left side. And this is my right side. And this is the back. And I'm going to stand up so you could see how long it is. Yeah, so it like literally goes almost to my lower back. Okay, so if I bring all the hair forward, hold on, it's a lot of hair. Yeah, so if I put it here, it hits right around my boobs. I'm 5'8" in height, just so you guys know, okay? And then if I put it all in the back, then it goes right here, which is my lower back, okay? Okay, so as far as shedding and tangling, it's not really shedding much, okay? So but it does kind of feel like it would tangle. So, you know, with these types of synthetic wigs, you have to just be mindful that that's going to happen. Okay. That's a lot of hair. But it's so pretty. The color is stunning. I think it's just so perfect for Valentine's. That's why I decided to do this wig review today of all days, because I think it's just so, so gorgeous. Okay, so it really blended very nicely with my hairlines. As you can see, the part was pretty good. Okay, I went ahead and did a little bit of powder just in the part right there. I used some of the baby hairs. Okay, and here the lace just, it doesn't even show. It just looks like my hair. Look at that. I mean, it's crazy. Like, it's blending with my hair. Although my hair is not as black as the root of this wig, but yeah, it's I think it's really nice, right? What do you guys think? I would love to hear your comments on it. Okay. You could do, well, I think it's nice. I think it's very sexy. I think that I'm not getting the full spectrum of it because I'm sitting down and stuff like that. But I think if I were to, yeah, because it's a long, long wig. So, yeah. No, I think it's really nice. Stunning color. Really soft. The density, I think, is fine. I wouldn't add more hair, that's for sure. I think that's more than enough density, but yeah. Okay, so that's the final look for the Kimora. This is from OUTRE's Lace Front collection, and the color is the DRF Red Velvet. So dark rude face framing, which is really, really beautiful. Face framing in the red velvet color, okay? And yeah, I really like it. It fits really nice. The combs on the side, the comb in the back, really gripped onto my wig grip very nicely. I feel it's snug but comfortable. The hair itself has a nice luster to it. The density is very nice, not too much hair, although it is a long, long style because it went all the way to my lower back. But I think it's really, really pretty. I think that if you love a nice cherry colored wig with the dark roots, I think this is a great wig to try. I really don't have too many complaints. I mean, yeah, it was easy to install, and the way that the whole cap construction is shaped is very, very nice. So I really don't have any cons. I think that the only con that I might have in wearing it out and about would be if it tangles, and you obviously with these longer styles, you have to be mindful of what kind of clothing fibers you're going to use. So if you wear something like a sweater, it might tangle more. And if you do something more silky or more like regular cotton, it will tangle less. And because it is a long style, you have to be mindful of like what's happening with the hair in the back, and is it getting all matted or whatever. So always carry a brush with you, in a small one. I mean, right now I have a big one because I'm, you know, filming here. But when I travel in my purse, I always have a small paddle brush, but a small one. And I'm constantly checking, you know, to see how much tangling and things like that. But as far as shedding, I really didn't get any shedding. I just cut the baby hair so it wouldn't be so long, and I cut the lace around it, and it was perfect. So I think this is a great style. I think OUTRE once again hit it off very, very well, and I highly recommend Kimora. So if you're looking for a great long cherry red wig, I think that this would be a great one for you. Okay, so as always, guys, thank you so much for your support, and I really hope you enjoyed this wig review. I hope that you can send me some love in some comments, like this video, and also, of course, subscribe to the Red Diva channel. I really, really appreciate your support out there, and, you know, spread the word about this channel. I've been getting some great feedback saying, wow, you have some great episodes, really good material, you know, so more people need to know about it. And so it really requires some help from you guys in sharing this, reposting it on your social media to get the buzz out about the Red Diva. And so I really appreciate it if you could do that to help me out. And anyway, as always, thank you so much for the honor of your time. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Okay, so I hope you're having a wonderful Valentine's Day, and I wish you lots of love as always from the Red Diva to you. Thank you so much. Have a great night. Bye.